Hello everyone, welcome to Kurdish Lessons YouTube channel. So, in this video I want to show you a phrasal verb which has many different meanings, and here I will share just some of these meanings, okay? So, our main verb is dayîn. It means to give, right? In present we say as dedim, to dedi, أو dede, am, hun, أو deden. A negative form for present as nadam, to nadi, أو nade, am, hun, أو nadan. But when it becomes to past, of course, since it's a transitive verb, we say min da, I gave. So when I say min da, it refers a singular object, okay? I gave it. Min da, tada, wida, weda, meda, weda, wanda. So you see, with transitive verbs, we use our oblique pronouns, okay? And if you had a plural object, like I gave them, it would be min dan, okay? If you want to put your object, min أو dan, I gave them. Ta أو dan, we أو dan, we أو dan, ma أو dan, etc. But the main verb which I want to share with you is used with preposition le, okay? Le, as you know, it means in or at in Kurmanji, right? We say le bajer in the city, le gund in the village, le malaman in my house, or le darve in outside. And when you use le with dayîn, le tatatant dayîn, so it's a separable phrasal verb. So you always kind of put your object between, you insert it between preposition and main verb. So first meaning of this phrasal verb is to play an instrument. So when you put a play on it, the name of an instrument, it means to play, okay, something. So but just I want to remind you something. Many of our students, because of their mother languages, to say to play an instrument, they use listen. Literally, it means to play in Kurmanji, but it's only for games, okay? Not for playing an instrument. So you need to use this phrasal verb. So, le tatatant dayîn, we said, right? So don't forget, your object is always should be in oblique form, right? And there is a preposition here, so you will use oblique. So we say as le guitare dedim, I play to the guitar, okay? Tu le guitare dedi, أو le guitare dede, or braye min le guitare dede, am le guitare deden, hun le guitare deden, أو le guitare deden. They play the instrument, okay, the guitar. And if it is negative, as le guitare nadam, tu le guitare nadi, أو le guitare nade, am le guitare naden, hun le guitare naden. And if you want to change your object, instead of guitar, you can use piano ye, as le piano ye dedim, as le tambure dedim, as le flute dedim, as le cello dedim, I don't know, okay? Almost all instruments are feminine, so in this case you need to put long a at the end of your object, okay? Guitare, piano blure, okay? So it was the first meaning. And the second meaning, it means to knock on a door. So of course it's very easy to guess, because when you put door, dayîn, instead of your instrument as an object, it means like to give a door, right? So it means you give something a door, you knock on the door. So we say as le dayîn dedim, I knock on the door. Tu le dayîn dedi, أو le dayîn dede, okay? Or من لديرية وان دا, I knocked on their door, okay? So the second meaning is knock on the door. It's a very useful expression, right? And it is nice. And as a last meaning, I want to teach you that same phrasal verb le tatatant dayîn means to beat someone, right? So it makes a perfect sense, you know, because when you play an instrument, you are beating your instrument, or you are beating the door, and so it will mean to beat someone if you use someone as an object, right? I find it logical. So we say, for example, as le braye khod dedim, I beat my brother. Or tu le braye khod dedim, you beat your brother. So you see, as le braye khod dedim, or as le te dedim, I beat you, or as le we dedim, I beat her. Okay, so that's all for now. You learned the amazing phrasal verb today, le tatatant dayîn. Just, you know, we have many phrasal verbs in Kurmanji. We love to use prepositions with verbs, and it changes meaning a lot as English. Sometimes it doesn't make sense, but sometimes it does, as you see. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for learning Kurdish, for supporting me. And if you are interested in courses, and next week we have a beginner course, you can start with us. And next month, at the beginning of October, we have a pre-intermediate course. If you know some basic Kurdish, like noun sentences, present tense, and the future tense, it's okay for you to join us and learn past tense, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, ergativity, oblique, all these stuffs. So if you are interested in our courses, so our email is kurdish_lessons2019@gmail.com. Okay, thank you so much. Have a perfect Saturday. Paka paka.